From hitting spikes on the court as the NU women's volleyball team coach to hitting the right notes, he's now serving up his music career with his debut single. Live at the BNC studio, here's Keenan as he performs Sabi Mo right here on Day Mix.
Ilang gabing di mapakali, nagwawalwal ng mag-isa. Hindi alam ang gagawin, kung paano ba magsisimula. Ang sabi mo, ang lahat walang hangganan. Ang sabi mo, walang maiiwanan. Akala ko'y sapat sa'yo, o baka nga sa panaginip lamang. Ang lahat ay aking gagawin para lang maunawaan. Ang sabi mo, ang lahat walang hangganan. Ang sabi mo, walang maiiwanan. Yan ang sabi mo. Ang sabi mo, ang lahat walang hangganan. Ang sabi mo, walang maiiwanan. Ang sabi mo, maghaharap sa dambana. Ang sabi mo, ang lahat magliliwanag. Ang sabi mo, kahit kidlat ay haharangan. At sabi mo, pag-ibig mo'y walang hangganan, walang hangganan. Walang hangganan. Ang sakit di mapura, walang hangganan. Ang sakit di mapura, walang hangganan. Ang sakit di mapura. Thank you so
Keenan,
much.
right here on Beautiful Day. Welcome to the show. Come join us, please. Haling!
Oh my
Salamat
goodness.
po.
All right.
Keenan, welcome to the show. You're also known as Coach Jai,
Yes, po.
assistant coach ng NU Women's Volleyball Team. Pero ngayon, you're playing on a different court. Music scene naman ngayon. Paano nagsimula yan? How did that shift happen from coach to singer? Sige.
Actually, medyo ano talaga siya, serendipitous. That's how I would describe it.
Oo.
Kasi I made a jump from one university to another.
Okay.
So I transferred schools. I coached before sa ibang university and then I transferred to NU. And then when I got to NU, ang unang naging music stint ko with them was singing the Christmas ID song for 2024.
Seryoso ba yan?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I was asked to sing it. And then nung ni-record ko yung song sa Velvet Playground sa Marikina, after ko mag-record nung song, I was asked right away kung willing daw ba akong kumanta ng original compositions. Syempre, sino ba ako para tumanggi?
Of course. Oo.
So ayun, one thing led to another. And then, ayun, for some reason, nasign ako ng Sony Music Entertainment Philippines and now I'm here at Beautiful Day. So, I don't know how I got here, but thank you, God, for all of these blessings. and
Grabe.
Yeah.
Grabe yung kwento na yun because again, normally sa mga sports teams yung initiation kumbaga is pinapakanta yung mga bagong player.
Ay,
Paano ka
I agree.
is that how you got discovered sa NU na nalaman, uy, magaling pala to. How did they discover yung talent na yan?
Well, nung pandemic kasi, nung time ng pandemic, nakasali ako ng isang contest sa TV.
Yeah.
Ayun. So, even before that naman, I'm doing covers regularly.
Okay.
Okay.
Pero dati, very camera shy ako. Yung cover ko parang black lang, ganun. Tapos boses lang, ganyan. And then, so everybody knows naman that I sing. Pero yun nga, yung opportunities na dumating na to, being at the right place at the right time, I guess.
Okay.
Kaya yun talaga yung how I would describe it.
How did the team react when they found out na may deal ka with Sony?
Well, nagulat sila. Even yung team manager namin, si Sir Bing, kasi syempre, kung papasok ako sa isang side job, kailangan sabihan ko siya.
Oh, i-declare mo.
Yeah,
Oo.
So, kailangan ko
yeah.
siyang sabihan. So, sabi ko, sir, okay lang po ba? Sabi niya, I don't think you will miss training. Sabi niya,
Okay.
pero I miss training today. Ironically.
Pasensya na po.
First
Sorry,
time
Enyo.
pa lang naman yata.
First
Mismo.
time,
Oh.
first
Magaling
time.
naman kayo eh.
There's always a first time for everything. But let's talk about that song that you just sang.
Opo.
Your debut single mo, sabi mo, anong kwento behind that song?
Si sabi mo, it's about broken promises.
Uy,
Yan,
sakit.
of love and romance.
Oo, yung yung last few lines, ano yun? Ang sakit.
Ang sakit, hindi mabura.
Yun, sakit hindi mabura.
Opo.
I felt that. Okay, go.
Ayun, so it's a collaboration between Sir Rai Sarmiento, my producer of Six Cycle Mind. I also worked with Jazz Jorge of Grace Note, Ernie Banyares, and Jepe Bongat of Kiss and Tell. So, sila po yung mga nag-play nung instruments.
Yeah.
Then, ako po boses lang po talaga.
Oo.
So, talagang collaborative work siya. Nung narinig ko yung initial demo nung song, acoustic siya eh.
Yeah.
Tapos parang habang nagpi-pre-prod kami, ginajam namin ng ginajam, nag-evolve yung kanta. Tapos hanggang sa naging alternative yung sound. And then, syempre yung musical, yung mga choices ko of riffs or mga parts kung saan ko lalagyan ng grit, yun, na-develop na lang ng na-develop. Tapos, ayun, it became as it is, as you hear it right now.
I wanted to ask, like, anong reaction mo, first hearing it being played, tapos naririnig mo yung ibang tao, they're listening to it. Sabi mo nga dito sa post mo sa Facebook, never kong naisip na magkakaroon ako ng opportunity na mag-release ng sarili kong kanta kasi parang far-fetched yung idea. So, anong pakiramdam?
Dream come true siya. Tapos parang sabi ko nga, at this point in my life, I never really imagined to have these opportunities. Kaya sobrang thankful lang, sobrang grateful ko lang po talaga na nakapunta ako sa ganitong stage na I get to share my voice na ever since hindi ko po kasi in-expect. Syempre pag bata ka po parang naging dream mo rin siya once upon a time.
At one point,
At one point parang gusto ko maging singer, kaya lang parang syempre we have to be very practical.
Okay.
And now I get to do both. Kaya nakakatuwa kasi I'm very passionate with volleyball. I'm also very passionate with music. So it's kind of nice to have both worlds mesh into one.
Okay.
Nakakatuwa po.
I was going to say, it was always going to be siguro a bit difficult, diba?
Yeah.
When you talk about juggling and at the same time, siguro you did not expect that music would blow up the way that it did for you at the moment. Was that always the dream though? Like nung bata ka ba, nung college ka ba, did you think na, uy, kaya ko maging recording artist or mas type mo to make a living through volleyball? What was that like sa simula?
Yung sa music kasi, ever since hobby lang talaga siya. So, I have friends who are in the music scene, dinadala-dala nila ako sa mga open mics.
Yeah.
Tapos perform nila ako. Pero that's it. Parang outlet ko lang siya of my creativity. Kasi di talaga ako magaling sa ibang forms of art. Parang music na yung pinaka-art ko eh.
Okay.
Okay.
Even volleyball, actually, ano lang siya. Sabi ko, serendipitous lang din talaga. Kasi professionally, I'm a teacher.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I taught for 11 years.
Oh, okay.
Bago ako nag-transition full-time into sports coaching. And then, ayun, ngayon, dalawa. Yung sa going back to music, ano kasi siya eh, parang as a kid, I would listen to mga songs sa radio. Tapos, syempre, yung mga, alam niyo po yung pag-reunion, papakantahin ka.
Yes, that's
lalagay
so
ka sa,
Pinoy.
ilalagay ka
Yeah.
sa taas ng honor type jeep, ganyan. Yung lolo ko po, ganun. So, kanta ka dyan, apo, ganyan.
Oh, that's so good.
Okay.
Tapos ngayon, I get to live this childhood dream of mine.
Oo.
And I'm pretty sure yung grandparents ko who are...
Wait, sorry. Saan galing yung Keenan?
It's really my first name.
That's his name.
Okay. And si Coach Jai.
Keenan Jairus po kasi ako.
Ayun.
Ang kwento
So,
po...
just so we understand kung
Okay.
bakit
Yeah.
parang iba. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yung pangalan kong Keenan, I used it nung prep school.
Okay.
Prep school.
Okay.
Kaso ang basa po nila Kenan.
Okay.
Very Pinoy.
Oh,
So
yeah,
sabi ko,
of
imbis
course.
na gamitin ko yung first name ko, edi yung nickname ko na lang sa bahay, which is Jai. Kasi po
Jai.
Jairus po ako eh.
Oh, so mas madali nga namang basahin
Tama
kaysa
naman.
sa Keenan.
Oo.
But now that you're thriving both in, sports and music, do you see yourself more as Coach Jai or as Keenan the artist?
Well, I think both can exist naman,
Mm.
di ba? Parang pagka-coach mode, it's Coach Jai mode. And then
Okay.
pag performer mode, it's Keenan mode, something like that. Actually, just recently, I got to perform in one of our leagues.
Oh,
Ayun.
okay.
Ayan, in one of our leagues. Parang may turnover ceremony kasi after nung semifinal match namin against FEU. So, after noon, nag-perform ako. So, wala na pong palit-palit. Naka-jacket. Ayan,
Oo.
pinipin
Yan.
niyo po sa screen.
Wait lang. Panalo ba kayo o talo?
Panalo po
Okay,
kami.
good. Kasi kung talo kayo, and then kumanta ka, alam mo, kung ako yung manager, mag-uusap tayo.
Tungkol din naman sa sakit eh. Kung talo ka, o di ganun din naman yun. Sakit!
Oh,
Totoo po.
sabi mo pa rin yung kinanta eh, no?
Actually, sabi ko nga po yun eh. Siguro kung hindi po kami nanalo,
Oo.
siguro yamot po akong kakanta.
Oo.
Pero dahil panalo po kami, ang taas po ng energy ko.
Oh my gosh. Siguro ko lang nanonood na taga FEU after that. But okay, so we're excited about your future career. Where and how can we see yung schedule mo, yung mga gigs mo, and of course, what future releases can we look forward to?
Yung pinaka-recent ko po na gig na na kakantahan is on November 15. It's at Eton Centris. Together with the bands Kiss and Tell, Better Days,
Oh, okay.
Angela Ken, Imago, Moonstar 88 rather, and Silent Sanctuary. So isa po ako sa magpe-perform on that day, November 15. And usually schedule ko po nasa ko naman po, sa socials ko po. So sana ma-follow niyo po ako sa socials ko. It's at Keenan Quitco on all platforms.
Do you have
naman.
any more new songs coming out?
Yeah, I'm gonna have my second single coming out in December. So abangan nyo po.
Okay.
Ayan. And more pa po next year.
Okay, so I just want to kasi the sports person in me wants to try and figure out kung kailan naglaro si Coach Jai eh. Kasi nag-UAP
okay.
siya dati.
Okay.
All right? And I believe sa mo season
67.
67. Okay, balikan natin yung season 67. What happened there? 2004?
Yes,
3, right?
2004.
So yung nag-champion nun, Lasal.
2004.
Parang yung
FEU.
FEU. And then nag-3-peat right after ata yung Lasal.
Ay, ano po? Sa men's po
Men, sorry,
Men's,
yeah, sa
men's.
men's. No, sorry, yung naging reference ko yung women's. eh.
Women's, yeah.
Yeah, so FEU.
Yeah, Lasal.
Oo. The reason why I remember that is because that was the season kung saan si Manila Santos became a big deal sa women's volleyball. And si Chisaet
Yeah.
played volleyball pregnant.
Yeah.
And nalaman lang niya
So interesting.
after the season,
After the season.
nabuntis siya.
What?
Yeah. She gave birth.
And she gave
She
birth.
gave birth.
She gave
After
birth.
when the season was done.
Kaya
she gave birth.
naalala ko yung season mo eh. So, that was when he played. Kaya kung, if you can find any videos of Coach Jai playing back in the day, pa-send naman sa amin. We'll
Alam mo
roll
yung-
it over again.
you saying back in the day, ang hirap when I'm looking at his face, you look
No,
really
yun din eh.
young.
Oh, thank you.
Diba?
Yun din eh.
Parang back in the day. Kailan
You don't
back
look
in
like
the
you
day
played in
mo?
2003. You look like you played in 2023. Ano ka ba?
Thank you po. Thank you po.
But before we let you go, Keenan, Coach Jai, Our show is called Beautiful Day. So, what makes your day beautiful?
Sa akin po kasi, kape lang, beautiful na yung araw ko. Tapos, normally kasi I go to NU ng super early because our training starts at 6. So, I'm there by 5:45. Kape, tapos morning kulitan with my players. Beautiful day na po agad.
Oh, I love
I
that.
wanted to ask, pag nagwa-warm up kayo sa trading niyo, may kasamang vocalization.
Hindi po. Actually, ironically, ang hirap. Kaya may nahihirapan ako i-juggle yung singing and coaching. Kasi
Oh.
sa coaching, more on shouting.
Shouting.
Shouting,
Sigaw ka.
yeah.
Na masakit talaga sa...
Nagagalit ka ba? Huwag ka na magalit.
There are times na...
Kantahin mo na lang yung instructions mo, di ba?
I-modulate ko dapat.
Oh, dito
Modulate.
kayo. Ganun.
Ano ba yan?
Break muna.
Okay.
But thank you, Keenan, for joining us today.
Maraming salamat.
Keenan, ladies and gentlemen, on Beautiful Day.
Coach
Thank you so
Jai,
much.
Keenan the artist, it just all works. Maraming salamat. Thank you
Maraming
so much.
salamat.